Welcome to Digital Content. In today's class, we are going to discuss about some of the other institutions which are involved in entrepreneurship development program. Let us discuss one by one. Firstly, I am going to discuss about the State Small Industries Development Corporations. The State Small Industries Development Corporations were set up in various states under the Companies Act 1956 as the state government undertakings in order to cater the primary developmental needs of the small, tiny and village industries in the state as well as in the union territories under their jurisdiction. Incorporation under the Companies Act as provided the state small industries development corporations with a greater operational flexibility and wider scope for undertaking a variety of activities for the benefit of the small sector. Let us know about the functions which are performed by the State Small Industries Development Corporation to procure and distribute the scarce raw materials. Raw material is the one of the major problem in case of small scale industry. So, procuring that raw material and distributing the essential raw material which is in need at the time of the production process, that function is performed by this State Small Industries Development Corporation to supply the machinery on hire purchase system. As we all know that small industry or the small business which is started with the limited amount of capital. So, they do not offer the high cost machinery to their business organization. So, for them this State Small Industries Development Corporation is providing the machinery based on the hire purchase system to provide the assistance for marketing of the products of small scale industries. So, they provide guidance as well as information in relation to the marketing of the products which are produced by the small scale industries. To construct industrial estates as well as industrial sheds, providing allied infrastructural facility and their maintenance. In order to supply the industrial estates as well as business sheds, there is a need of basic amenities as well as basic infrastructural facilities. So, those facilities will be provided by the State Small Industries Development Corporation. To extend seed capital assistance on behalf of the state government concerned. So, they are going to provide financial assistance at the time of their business process. Provide management assistance to the production units. Let us know about the Small Industries Development Organization. As per the recommendations of the International Perspective Planning Team in 1955, the Government of India established the Small Industries Development Organization for the development of village and small industries. It is a policy making body at the national level. It frames policies and implements such policies for the development of small scale industries. It has offices in each state through which implements its policies. Apart from this, it has Small Industry Service Institute, product development centers which assist the Small Industries Development Organization in implementing its policies and programs. It has a network of 25 small industrial service institutes and 41 extension centers, 4 regional testing centers and 1 product and process development centers. Let us know about the functions which are performed by the Small Industries Development Organization. Framing the policies at national level for the development of small scale industries. Coordinate the policies framed by the state government. Liaison between the state and central government and departments connected with the promotion and development of SSI. So, this Small Industries Development Organization is doing the work in relation with the state as well as in relation with the central government. On behalf of those two particular governments, this Small Industries Development Organization is performing for the promotion and welfare of the small scale industry. Undertake market research, survey and collect necessary information to help for the growth of SSI. Provide technical marketing assistance to the development of small scale industries. Let us know about one of the major institutions called Technical Consultancy Organizations, popularly called as TCOs. So, these organizations are established by the various state governments and the main objective is to provide the consultancy services to the new entrepreneurs at a cheaper rate. The TCO is a network at the national level. Financial institutions like IFCI as well as ICICI, IDBI, along with the state level financial development institutions of SFC, SIDC and SSIDC and commercial banks with a view to provide a package of consultancy service under a single roof. There are 18 TCOs in our country sponsored by various term lending financial institutions. So, the main objective of this TCO is to provide a package of services under one roof. Whatever the requirement of a small business organization, that will be fulfilled by this technical consultancy organization. Preparation of a project report covering all the aspects in relation with the technical as well as marketing as well as the managerial aspects, to help the entrepreneur in all aspects of entrepreneurship, that is from the identification of the project to start the business. Let us know about the functions which are performed by the TCOs. To prepare the project profiles and feasibility profiles. In order to prepare a project profile, one must have the knowledge of preparing a particular business idea and project report. So, that is a very difficult task for an individual. So, that project profile will be supposed to be prepared by this TCOs. And then feasibility profiles, and then the pros and cons in relation with that particular project profiles, that will be analyzed by this TCOs. To undertake industrial potential surveys, to identify the potential entrepreneurs and provide them with technical and management assistance. So, these TCOs which will identify the potential entrepreneur. One must have the desire to be a successful entrepreneur. So, that should be the nature of an entrepreneur. So, that individual will be identified and providing a various type of assistance, that may be a technical assistance as well as the management assistance. So, that is provided by this TCOs. To undertake market research and surveys for specific products. To supervise the project and wherever necessary, render technical and administrative assistance. To undertake export consultancy for export oriented project based on the modern technology. To conduct entrepreneurship development programs. To offer merchant banking services. Let us know one of the other institutions, that is NISIT, National Institute of Small Industries Extension Training. This institute was set up in 1956 to develop the required manpower for running the small scale industries in the country. The functions which are performed by this National Institute of Small Industries Extension Training is to impart the training to the persons engaged in small scale industries. So, whoever the individuals who are involved in small scale businesses, so for them this NISIT is providing training facility. To undertake research studies relating to the development of small scale industries. So, this for the development of small scale industries, so there is a need of research and development. So, that research activity will be taken care by this National Institute of Small Industries Extension Training. To enter into agreements relating to the consultancy services both with the national and international organizations to provide the consultancy services to the small scale industries in the country. The institute which conducts courses in business management for the benefit of the entrepreneurs and semi-managerial personnel of the small industries. So, this is about some of the other institutions which are performing this entrepreneurship development program. Thank you.